Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily upload auto or loop videos on Behance projects. So to upload auto playing looping videos on Behance projects, you have a few options. Behance doesn't allow direct video file uploads, but you can embed videos hosted on other platforms. So here's how you can do it. The best method that I can share with you is through Vimeo. Vimeo allows autoplay and loop settings in the embed code. So the first thing you have to do is upload your video to Vimeo. Then go to your video settings. You have to enable autoplay, loop, and height controls. It's optional, but you can also try. And next is just copy the customized embed code. Then go to your Behance project editor. Then just click on the embed option in the editor. Then just paste the Vimeo embed code just by pressing Ctrl plus V. And from there, the video will autoplay and loop when viewed in the project. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!